You will spend most of your time in Peachtree with records and tasks. Records are lists of information, such as your customer list, vendor list, item list, employee list, and so on. You access records through the Maintain menu. Most of the functions on the Tasks menu are transactions, such as invoices, receipts, purchase orders, payments. There are other business-related tasks, account reconciliation, changing the accounting period, closing the year. Now let us go through our Peachtree accounting tutorial. Tutorial 1. Creating a new company. 1. Setting up your company. You use the new company setup wizard to establish basic information about your company and specific information about how you want your company to work. Basic information includes the following. 1. Company information. This includes name, address, telephone, fax number, website address, federal and state employer identification numbers, and state unemployment numbers. 2. Business type. This defines what type of business your company operates as. 3. Chart of accounts. You can choose to copy one of listed sample charts of accounts or create your own. 4. Subsidiary companies. If the new company you're setting up is a consolidated company, you need to know which existing companies you will be adding as subsidiary companies. 5. Posting method. You have the choice between real-time posting and batch posting. 6. Accounting method. You have the choice of either cash basis method or accrual basis method of accounting. Most businesses use accrual accounting. 7. Accounting periods. You set up monthly accounting periods or customize your own fiscal year structure. After you enter your basic information, you can set up specific information for general ledger, chart of accounts and beginning balances. Accounts receivable, default settings, customer records, and customer beginning balances. Accounts payable, default settings, vendor records, and vendor beginning balances. Payroll, default settings, employee records, and employee year-to-date earnings and withholdings. Inventory, inventory items, assemblies, and inventory beginning quantities. Jobs, job information and beginning balances. Now the steps of set up a new company begins. Step 1. Start Peachtree if it is not already running. From the File menu, select New Company, or choose Set up a new company in the Peachtree Accounting Startup window. Step 2. Select OK. Peachtree displays the new company setup introduction window. Step 3. Read the introductory information and select the Next button to continue. Step 4. New company setup, chart of accounts. You need to establish how your new company will be set up based on your choice after carefully reviewed. 1. Set up a new retail, service, construction, manufacturing, or distribution company, using a simplified chart of accounts. Select this option to copy basic setup information from a sample retail, service, construction, manufacturing, or distribution company. You can modify the accounts later, according to your needs. 2. Set up a new company using an extensive chart of accounts from one of many sample companies. Select this option to copy basic setup information from one of the many sample businesses that Peachtree provides. 3. Copy settings from an existing Peachtree company. Select this option if you want to copy setup information from another Peachtree company or you are rebuilding a Peachtree company. 4. Convert a company from another accounting program. Select this option if you want to import company data from Peachtree Complete Accounting for DOS or Peachtree Classic, PCA, Quicken, or some other program. 5. Build your own company. Select this option if you want to create a company from scratch. This option is only recommended for experienced users who are comfortable setting up accounting information. 6. Consolidate existing Peachtree accounting companies. Select this option to combine the charts of accounts of a number of existing Peachtree companies to create a new consolidated chart of accounts. Step 5. New company setup, accounting method. You have only two choices, accrual or cash. Hopefully, you've made the decisions already based on your accountant's advice, if you have one. Warning: once you choose the accounting method and create a new company, you can't change the method used for this company. So be sure to choose the right one. Choose the accounting method to run your business and continue setting up your company. Select the next button. Peachtree displays the new company setup posting method window. Step 6. New company setup, posting method. Choose the posting method you want to use when processing transactions, real-time posting or batch posting. Step 8. New company setup, accounting periods. Select the accounting period you want and finish your setup new company. Congratulations!